Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello, good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good evening, Mr. Rahul.
Good evening.
So we have with us our jury members, and you will be given 15 minutes to give your presentation. So please go ahead and all the best. And you had to wait a lot, so we regret for that. So please carry on with your presentation, and all the best from my side.
No problem, I can understand it would have been unavoidable.
So good afternoon, Mr. Rahul. This is Dr. Babita as one of the jury, and we give you our best wishes that you just give your best presentation today, and let's hope for the best for you.
Thank you, Dr. Babita.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. So shall we?
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Let me just present my screen. All right. So my name is Rahul Sethi, and I am one of the directors at organization ProTouch. We run this organization, and I'll just give you a quick overview of who we are and what we do, and then I'll get into what we are nominating ourselves for. So our vision is impacting lives by creating limitless opportunities, and the values that we stand by is transparency. We believe we are problem solvers, and we want to be resilient in all situations. That's what the values that drive all of us in the organization. A little bit of overview of what do we do. We are one of the most admired talent transformation and reskilling organization, and we are enabling sustainable business growth and organizational cultural impact. Our mission is to improve business productivity and enhance leadership development across the organization, and that's what we have been doing for many years. We provide 360-degree training programs right from entry level to senior management, and we impact highly engaging training to HR professional and HR aspirants through focused, result-oriented, holistic development for our all the participants that enroll with us. We work extensively in the area of skill enhancement and youth employability in specific. Hundreds of young professionals every year come to us, and we help them enhance their career by taking one of our programs. All our programs are internationally accredited and delivered through 100% practical case-based approach through industry experts. I'm happy to share that all our alums of our institute are highly recognized across the industry, and I'm going to share some of those with you today. On a more personal note, I have been working with various organizations for over 2 decades. My last few assignments have been, I was the CEO for Rivigo, and before that I was on the management board of Bharti Airtel. I was handling their global marketing strategies and pricing strategy. So that's what I have been doing. Dr. Aparna, who is another director alongside me, she's a doctorate in performance management system and works extensively in the area of HR domain, both from academics as well as into the corporate world. In context of what we are trying to solve over the last 1 year, unfortunately, the world was hit by COVID-19 pandemic, and from an Indian point of view, as published by Ministry of HRD, we lost over 4 million youths lost the jobs in the country, which not only severely impacted economy, but at the same time it also impacted career and growth prospects for millions of young professionals. And when all this slowdown happened, people who were in the early career were hit harder than some of the people who have already established in the immediate crisis, which in my view brought in very long-term economic and social cost if it was not addressed. More specific in the field of HR, we saw a lot of people who are working in the area of talent acquisition, L&D operations, were their jobs were utterly interrupted by this pandemic. Government also called out for large-scale targeted measures, to keep educational and training system going in the in the country, so that millions of young professionals can be brought back on track, through right upskilling, right capabilities, and things like that. Panel, what we also realized as an organization is, apart from people who are losing jobs, there was another shift that was happening in the corporate world. Whenever I used to speak to all the CEOs, one thing that came very clearly is, where youth was trying it difficult to get right jobs, organizations were trying, finding it very difficult to get the right talent, because of the changed nature of HR as a function. The way HR was functioning over the last few years completely changed in the last 2 years. The reason being, in my own lens, both the definition of workplace and workforce both changed, and hence the entire requirement from HR professionals dramatically changed. That's where we stepped in, and we said, what can we do to really bring these professionals back on track? And I'm very happy to share, over the last 1 year, we have been successfully impacted over 500 professionals who were kind of struggling from their career point of view, and I will also share with you the way we have scaled up and what are we doing now. In that context, we put together 5 programs, right from a 3-hour program to a 90-hour HR generalist program, to reskill these professionals and really upskill their capabilities, which are more relevant from a requirements of the corporate world. We had HR generalist program, which was more targeted to early career and aspirants of HR professional. Then we have analytics program, which is 48-hour program that was built for people who have a strong HR domain knowledge but trying to find out difficulty to scale up because of want of analytical capabilities. Then we have strategic HR BP program, and then we launched a trainer certification program in the area of Bosch, and we also had a young trainer certification program. The unique aspect of the program that we brought up for these professionals was these were all live, practical, case-based. There was no recorded sessions. It's not self-paced, because we strongly believe that on a self-paced format you can impart education, you can impart knowledge. But if you really want to train them, if you want to make them practice, then we need live sessions. And SHRM, which is one of the global bodies of Society for Human Resource Management, came on record and said that we have never approved a 90-hour live program in the field of HR. Then we went ahead and said, how do we really upgrade the quality of what we are delivering? How do we really challenge ourselves to deliver world-class training programs to our professionals in India? We went ahead and got best of the accreditations that we can have. We got our program certified from 2 biggest HR bodies, which is SHRM and HRCI. All our programs are certified, the curriculum validated, all programs done and locked. Then we also recently picked up IBAC, which is International Association for Business Analytics Certifications. Again, #1 body in the world for business analytics certification in specific. So we brought that in, and we also upgraded all our trainers from ICF. They're all ACC. I myself Marshall Goldsmith certified apart from ICF, and I'm also the associate coach with Global Coach Group. So that we are not only able to train these professionals, but at the same time we should also be able to mentor them to how do they shape up their career. Because at ProTouch, what we strongly believe is, with some effort everyone will find a job. But there are very few people in this country that are focusing on differentiating between a job and a career. Because I see a lot of young professionals are just trying to get a job, or they're trying to jump a job from one job to another, and no one is there to guide them, mentor them, to differentiate between what is a job and what's a career. Because job, you will get by your certifications and cracking a right interview. But to build a right career, you need to build your capabilities over time. And that's what we strongly, train and mentor our participants on. And that's what we are able to put together over the last 1 year in terms of how do we really go ahead and help them. Then we also went ahead and strengthened our knowledge partnership through our strategic tie-ups with all the premium institute, through their executive education offering from all the premium institutes, and we run the Gurgaon Center for them, and we promote their programs and a lot of our knowledge bank in terms of how do we really give a world-class executive education to our participants also come from these strategic tie-ups, and what we went ahead and did with these organizations. Apart from a structured training program that we deliver on various topics that I just discussed, we really stepped up on how do we bring industry experts to really interact with them. And this is exclusive. These are not open webinars where everyone can just walk in. These are exclusively for our participants, and I'm extremely delighted to share with you that our team put together over 50 industry experts over the last 1 year, which I have been watching each one of them, and it has significantly impacted the way our professionals are dealing in the corporate worlds now. These are people from HR domain, academicians, people who are influencers, even genders, diversity, inclusion. There is one person here, Celia. She's Indian born but now in US. She's the first transgender board member of Accenture. And we brought her in, and all of those cadre, to really give HR professional a very different dimension of the way industry is moving and what is really expected out of them. We have got tremendous feedback from our participants and even for the people who came into these webinars. And all of this, the whole objective of how can we bring all of this together at a very, very affordable pricing, for the participants, so that we are able to impact more and more people who want to join us. All our alums are now successfully working back into best of the organizations around the country. They are able to bring back their career on track, accelerated their career wherever they're stuck, and that is something that we are really proud of. Apart from impacting our alums, we have strengthened our team as well. We have generated opportunities for 25 of the professionals in our organization itself, where they're now advising participants, training them, and all our trainers are having over 2 decades of experience. And as the last thing, I think the audio will not be connected on this. I may have to go to another slide. Just give me a second so that I can just show you some of the testimonials that we got, and then I will happy to answer any of your questions. Just give me a second, please. So thank you very much. This was from my side. I'm happy to answer any of your queries.